Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to whip your cream perfectly. It can be quite difficult to get the correct consistency, however it doesn't need to be that way. Make sure your cream, whisk and bowl are cold. You can place them in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Pour the cream into the bowl along with the vanilla essence or any flavour that you like. I'm using mint essence. So you whip your cream on medium to high for 1 minute 20 seconds until you notice that the ripples have started to appear and they are almost holding shape. At this point, lower the speed and add your icing sugar. I like to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Obviously, it depends how sweet you'd like it. Once it has been mixed in, whip the cream back on high for about 20 seconds. This will just ensure that everything's mixed in well. You will achieve the most beautifully whipped cream. If for any reason it's a bit too thick, you can add 1 tablespoon of cream or milk at a time to loosen the consistency, because you don't want it to be too thick and not spreadable. Look at how beautiful and light and fluffy the texture is. That's how easy it is, and it just makes it so easy to spread on the cake as well. You can use it immediately or you can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days, but don't forget to mix it before you use it with your spatula just to loosen it up again. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.